Hey guys, I hope everybody's taking care and being blessed. Today is just a quick video. Just want to let you know, if y'all follow me, you know that I have problems with my ears. I always have like a wax impact. It's been going on for many years since I've been young. I mean, not super young, but many years. And I have to always go to a doctor or like an urgent care to be able to get my ears cleaned. So I went today. I always go to my urgent care. That's over by my house. Guys, when I say I walked in, I seen that they actually are Piedmont now. They changed who own it, and they also changed when I walked in the whole way that it is. When I say when I first walked in, I sat there for maybe about a good 5 minutes, said good morning, hello. It was two people at the desk. They didn't say anything. So I was like, she gave me this paper to be able to no, she didn't say nothing. So I was like just sitting there looking stupid. I was like, is this the door that you go in for the urgent care to be serviced? And she was like, nobody really said nothing. It was like, oh yeah, this is the door. So they both on the computer doing something. I don't really know what they was doing. And then all of a sudden she was like, she didn't say, how can I help you? She just looked at me and she was like, what's your name? Just like that. What's your name? Gave her my information. I let her know that I was there before, maybe like it was last year, and she didn't care about none of that. She just asked me my name, asked me for my phone number. Very rude. So I was like, gave her all the information. She was like, I just sent you something to your phone. I'm looking like, what in the world? She was like, go ahead and fill out that, go back in the car, because we don't allow patients to be in the facility, which I didn't mind. I have my mask on. That was cool. She didn't tell me how to fill it out, how to do anything. I got a text on the phone, fill out the information. And then all of a sudden, guys, I got a text saying, go make a payment. Like, what payment? How much payment am I going to have to make? It didn't say anything like that. So, guys, when I say that customer service was so freaking horrible, so horrible. I'm so sick of horrible customer service. So what I did was I was like, you know what? I am about to do exactly what the doctor always do. I went to Walgreens right across the street and I went to go get some earwax removal kit. I put it in my ear, followed the directions, did the YouTube video. Guys, when I say this was so good, this right here saved me $220, because it's usually $220 for me to go in and get my ears done. And I was like, let's even take it a step further, because I've been having this nasal neti pod. This is to clean your nose with and your sinuses and your nasal passages. I already had this. So all I had to wind up spending was only $10 on this. So guys, sometimes when you are able to go just for something minor, not major, because sometimes you can do it on your own. Pull up YouTube, see what they're talking about. Like I said, if it's something minor, not major, and I did it myself and I saved money and I felt better about it. Because when I say, guys, the customer service was so bad, I was like, you know what? I'm not going to give nobody my money acting like that. So that's the moral to the story. The moral to the story is, please, guys, if you are working front desk anywhere, please treat people nice. You never know what they're going through. What if I was a crazy person? But anyway, earwax from Walgreens, the kit, the neti pod, got my whole sinuses feeling good and my ears feeling good, and I saved money. I just want to tell you guys that story right there. Okay? Be blessed, guys. And put some comments below, like if you went somewhere, the customer service was just so horrible, and you was like, you know what? I'm gonna go do it myself. And let me know how did it come out. Okay? Bye, guys.